What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Now today we've got something very special planned for the day. We are heading out to a drive day that Pit Stop Racing is putting on for people to bring their own car out and have a go. Now I'm not taking my car, but I am going out to support Dale and Pit Stop Racing because he has asked me to come on board as an ambassador for Pit Stop Racing. So I'm heading out there. We'll go out and check it out and see what it's all about. But I know for a fact there'll be a number of XLs out there from North Queensland that are being built. There'll be some drift cars, an Aussie racing car, I think a Toyota 86, and we'll be checking that out and seeing what's going on. So we are also heading out to what you could probably call it Australia's newest motorsport facility that is getting built, and we'll be doing that today. And we're looking forward to it. We've got about an hour drive to get out there, but got to go the distance to get out and see what's happening. So we'll catch up with you soon. Alright guys, we have arrived, and behind me you'll see a Toyota 86 getting around the track at a fairly hefty speed. But just in front of me, which you guys can't actually see right now, is the new track that is currently being constructed, and it is, by the looks of it, quite impressive. I think the front straight, like I've mentioned before, is almost 600 metres long, and looking at it, there's a bit of undulation on the track because we have a few hills around the place, but some big sweepers, nice hairpin turns, and some nice passing opportunities. So we'll get out there and have a look at some more cars and see how this day progresses. It's a pretty crazy facility out here they're being built. So to my left over here is where the new track's going to be built. We've got skid pan, and then just over here they're going to be building a 1/4 mile drag strip, full concrete drag strip. There's space for motorbikes, there's space for rally. I think on one set of plans there may have been space for jet sprint boats. It's a whole driver training facility as well. So that skid pan up there is actually a heavy vehicle maneuvering pad as well. So any kind of driver training that they can do it out here. The skid pan is only being used right now for the sprint days. Obviously the track's being built. It's meant to be built by February, depending on the wet season. We get a crazy wet season up here. So hopefully all going well, we'll have all our cars out there racing in around February, March next year. So very much looking forward to it. And if you have a look out there, I don't know if you can see, there's quite a bit of undulation on the track, different elevation changes, off-camber corners, things like that. So it'll be a very challenging track. First layout is about 2.7 Ks with room to extend that as well. So hopefully, all going well, it'll be built very soon. We can get out there and have a crack. Day done, guys. It's just past midday. We're about to head home and get stuck into stuff at home, but that was an awesome day, and it's awesome to see so many XLs out there running around having a fantastic time. I think we had 6 out there. There's still a few more here in Townsville that are getting built, so we should have a healthy field come the first race early next year. So we'll leave it there. We've got about a 5-minute drive down a dirt road to get out of this facility, and then we're back on the highway. I might stop at the roadhouse, I think, and get something to eat and something to drink, and make the trek back to Townsville, which is about a 35-40 minute drive into town. So I'll see you then, guys. Next video, mounting the seat and getting that all taken care of. So one step closer to getting this car out on track, which I'm very much looking forward to. So until then, guys, have a great day. I'll talk to you later.
I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me, ballin' like Houston. Ay.